What is going on, snipers? Stock Sniper Mike here again with another weekly Watchers Watch List. And yes, I am wearing sunglasses inside on Memorial Day week. Hope everyone out there enjoyed their Memorial Day weekend. We had an extra day off on Monday, got to enjoy it with family and friends. Went to the beach and got myself a pretty bad glasses tan. So it is what it is. We'll just have to play this one out. Just like we're going to do in the market today. Because today we're going to go over the top stocks that the stock snipers are eyeing down to start this brand new week. And this week is a shorter 4-day week. So not as much on the weekly watchers, but definitely some great opportunity. Let's dive on in. I'm going to bring you into the Apple App Store or Google Play and the Stock Snipers app called Stock Snipers. So if you pull it up, that's where you'll find this weekly watchers watch list. And when you click on the Stock Snipers app, where you want to go is to the home area. And in the home area, you'll be able to see everything we have to offer for you. But today we're going over the weekly watchers watch list, the guy with the binoculars. So if you click on it, we'll have a list of OTC stock where we make most of our money. And then we have listed stocks right after that. So let's dive on in here. Like I said earlier, Monday was off for Memorial Day. So we do have a shorter week ahead of us with Monday being off. And typically on shorter holiday weeks, the volume usually isn't as strong. So if you do like one of these plays, make sure there's volume there and make sure you have a good support to risk off of. So we're going to start off with an OTC stock, ENZC. This is one that's made multiple downward days, going all the way up from 13 cents down to 5 cents. We're looking for it to come down to 4-6 long-term support, and if it does that, we'll be looking for that first green day. The next one is a penny stock that's been drifting down for a while again. People were calling this OTC stock the next Tesla. Unfortunately, no OTC stocks are usually good. A lot of them are pieces of shit, and so is HCNWF. With that being said, keep an eye for it to keep coming down to 50 cents long-term support, and then we'll look for the first green day. This next one is a big one. This is an AI-related stock that we actually took overnight on Tuesday. We're up really nicely over $1,000 here going into overnight, and we'll be looking for the gap up. The sector leader AI has gone on a tear to start the new week and has made new 52-week highs, so we're just looking for sector momentum here in AITX. DPLS is another sub-penny stock that has ran recently in the past, and now we're looking for it to restart that run again. We want to see it get back above 0072 and then continue to push up to create a first green day. And then the last one is GTII. We like this one because we've seen it in the past jump from $1 all the way to $1.50, and now it's coming back to that dollar range. If it's able to hold right around this 90-cent area and break back above $1, we'll look to take advantage of it. The next ones are listed stocks. MCOM is an EV-related stock that used to be called Hellbiz, HLBZ. Then they did a reverse split, and now they're almost back to the penny stock that they were under Hellbiz. MCOM, we're looking for this red to green move after all the red days that we've had here, and when it does happen, we do believe it'll spike it back into the 50s. MULN, that's a listed EV-related stock. It's our favorite stock of 2022. Well, most profitable stock, maybe not our favorite, but that's my favorite in my eyes. We're looking for MULN to continue to hold 80 cents. 80 cents was a spot that it created support. Now we want to see that 80-cent hold and then a first green day push in MULN. The next two are first red day shorts. And usually we don't play a lot of shorts, but now that we have the stock market getting a nice bounce, we do believe we have opportunities to short some stocks. Everyone knows Kodak cameras, Kodak Black. This is actually Kodak cameras that we're eyeing down here, and we're looking for it to make a first red day short. The stock has made multiple uptrending days from 320 all the way up to the 520 area, and now we're looking for it to make that first red day if it's able to come back up to 550s. And last but certainly not least is the QQQ puts. If you've been watching the QQQ, the SPY, they've been having a nice tear this past month. QQQ actually made new 52-week highs to close the week out on Friday after NVIDIA got that big spike. We do think it will follow up 1 or 2 more green days just because how strong of a day that was. But once we see it start to cool off, that's what we'll be looking for, these first red day short in the QQQ. And we like to eye down puts there from a week or 2 weeks out for a possible fall off in the QQQ. Like I said earlier, this list isn't as extensive because of the shorter holiday week, but there are tons of opportunity, and AITX, we're already up $1,000. Let's see if we can take another bag from one of these other stocks. Hopefully you guys can too. If you'd like to join the team, check us out at thestocksnipers.com. Hit that subscribe button below or on the Apple App Store or Google Play under Stock Snipers. Hope to see you next week, and hopefully you guys grab one of these bags. Peace.